Hey guys, welcome back to my channel if you are a returning subscriber, and if you are a new subscriber, then welcome and thank you so much for joining the family. I really appreciate it. If you're just a watcher, a viewer, what is you doing, sis? Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so that way you never miss an upload. So without further ado, let us get into the video. Let's just get into it. Okay guys, so first of all, let's do a little disclaimer. My 9 to 5 entails me talking to children almost all day, so you know, at the end of the day I sound pretty much like I just woke up. It's not cute, but it's what we're working with, so we're gonna just gonna have to keep pushing. Yeah, my apologies if it bothers anybody. I mean, it's bothering me, but what can I do? You know, it's what I have, it's what I have to work with. So if you guys have not seen the title, this is going to be a hair review for some passion twists, some spring twists, some cute twists. Alright, so let's get into that. So if you guys see me looking down, it's because I'm looking at the specifications and everything like that for you guys, so I can come with all the details and I don't miss anything. And if anybody asks, I am wearing a tube dress, so bear with me, okay? Alright guys, so these are the Fayasu Spring Senegalese Twist Crochet Braids Curly End Crochet Hair Passion Twist Hair Extension for Black women. Now if that's not a mouthful, I don't know what is. So these are the Fayasu Spring Senegalese Twists. They are very cute, very bouncy, very springy. They are 12 inches, but I mean, I think when they're stretched, they kind of go past 12. I think when they're stretched, you know, they go past 12 inches just a little bit. So this is this comes in the color T30. It's a very beautiful brown ombre color. So initially when I first installed it, I did not like it, but you know, it's kind of starting to grow on me. The color that is the hair is very beautiful. I didn't really like the color from the beginning, but it's really starting to grow on me. I really like it. Each set comes with 6 packs, and each pack has 12 strands inside. So if my math is mathing correctly, that should be 72 strands. And yes, I have all 72 strands in my big head. Early as one of them. Is this thing sliding off my nose, y'all? Yes, the hell it is. This company sent me this hair about a month ago, and I've kind of just been holding on to it for the right time to do the install. And I kind of felt like, you know, now would be good because, you know, it's almost to the end of the school term, and I just kind of wanted something that I could just, it's effortless. I don't have to do anything at all to it in the morning. I don't need to manipulate it, nothing. I just take my bonnet off and I'm out of the house. It's nothing I have to do. I don't have to brush it. I don't have to style it. Do I style it? Sometimes I do, but it's just, you know, basically a shake and go style. You take it out of your bonnet, you shake it, and keep pushing, keep moving out the house. Bye bye. Ship time was fairly easy. I think it took like 3 to 4 days to get to me. I don't have Prime, guys. I refuse to pay for Prime. I'm not in a rush. So I don't have Prime, so it took like 3 to 4 days to get to my warehouse, my freight company, and then it took like 1 day to travel across the cities from my freight company to me, 1 or 2 days. So in total it took about a week. to get to me, which I don't think is bad. So now let's get into the texture of the hair. So guys, the hair is very soft, extremely soft actually, almost butter at this point. So it's very soft. The curls are very sturdy. It's not stiff, it's not crunchy. Like I said, it's very soft. So you know, a lot of times when you hear soft hair, you think loose braids or loose twists. The curls are very much intact. I have been running my fingers through them. I've been pulling on them, trying to elongate them, and they just bounce right back. Absolutely, absolutely beautiful. I love it. And I would have thought, or my initial thought when I first received the hair was that, oh no, this is just a recipe for disaster. But I find the ends to be holding up really, really well. I have not put anything in these hairs, and when I say anything, I mean I've not put a lick of mousse, probably some sweat, if we're going to be real. If we're going to be honest, you know, probably a lick of sweat, but nothing else. No moisturizers, no mousse, nothing. This is just them fresh out of the pack. The method that I used to install the hairs was the full individual method. So I have 8 cornrows going across the front of my head, 8 or 10 cornrows going across the front of my head, and on each cornrow I have 2 plaits, if that makes sense, because 2 plaits make 1 cornrow, right? Yeah, so on each corner I have 2 plaits. So I think it's 12, because it was 2 packs that fit the front of my head. So I have a total of 24. I have a total of 24 twists in the front of my head that equates to 2 packs, and the remaining 4 I crammed and jammed in the back of my head. Very easy to do. The install took like what, an hour and a half, and that's because of course I had to do my braiding pattern. It was very easy. They came, no smell. That's it, guys. This hair is so pretty, and they come in a collection of colors, so this is not the only colors that they have to offer you guys. Let me just give you guys a few of the colors that they have available for you. So they have the T30, which is this one that I'm wearing. They have the 1B 27613, which is basically I want to say this color at the end, and that ice blonde, not ice blonde, the white blonde, you know, color. T1B gray, T1B purple, T27, and then T burgundy. So that's a total of 7 color selections that they have available for you. So you can, you know, you can play around if you want to do something a bit out of your comfort zone and you don't want to dye your hair. Sis, get a color, get a gray, get a burgundy, heck, get a blue if they have blue. You know, if you want to just step out of your comfort zone but you don't want to make it permanent, get you some of these, sis. Get you some of these, especially if you're into the whole, you know, natural thing and you want that natural look still, get you some twists, sis. Who gonna tell you they're not yours? You paid for them. I'm just saying. I'm just saying, sis, they're yours. All right, I will leave all the specifications down in the description box in terms of the link, the color, the length, everything like that, how much is in each pack, because some people watch and they don't really pay attention because, you know, they get distracted. So, yeah, I will still leave all the specifications down in the description so that you guys can feel free to check them out. I think they were very reasonably priced. and their quality. So I'm not making anything if you guys purchase them or not. I'm just here to let you know that I like the hair, so that could, you know, kind of sway you into purchasing the hair, persuade you into purchasing or getting the hair, because I think they're reasonably priced, and I think that, you know, they're quality as well. So it's good. It's a plus, right? Without any further delays, I think this brings us to the end of our video. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know any other videos that you guys might like to see, any other hair related videos that you guys might like to see. I don't know if I'm gonna brave the waters and, you know, start doing natural hair videos on YouTube just yet. I beg. But, you know, we could work something out, right? I could probably take your requests, try them off camera, and see how well I would be able to execute them on camera. I don't know. I'm just, you know, I'm trying. All right. So, guys, I love you guys so much. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, comment, subscribe, share, like, leave a like, share. And without further ado, for the delays, I will see you guys in another